This video is featured by my referral link with Grove Collaborative. Click the link in my bio to get your 5-piece Myers gift set. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell to see all my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and today I'm coming to you today with an amazing flipping decor. It is a super quick and easy DIY to make those little beads that you see on all of those farmhouse Pinterest pictures. I'm like, where do they get these beads from? And then I'm like, why would I buy these beads? I saw them on Amazon for like $12.99. I'm like, no. Then I went to Michael's and I couldn't find the little wood beads to make them out of. So I'm like, damn, I really want these beads. I don't know. Everybody has them. So I want to see if I can make them. Lo and behold, I'm in the best place on earth, and it's not Disneyland. I was at Dollar Tree last week, and during my normal Dollar Tree haul, I saw a bunch of grapes. Now, back in the day, excuse me, I'm not even going to tell you my age. When I was growing up, my grandmother used to have like fake fruit, apples, pears, bananas, oranges, all kinds of fake fruit like on her dining room table. And I used to be like, this is ugly. But now, all of a sudden, Dollar Tree has fake fruit. And so when I saw this bunch of grapes, I'm like, maybe not. I'm like, wait, I'm picking these bad boys up. So I definitely got a bunch because I didn't see any more, because I would have got more anyway to make like different color ones. So when I picked them up, I kept feeling them. And I'm like, what can I use these for? And I'm like, no, for real, guys, my brain literally exploded. Like, I'm in the aisle of Dollar Tree and I exploded. Oh! It was like this light that hit me, and I was holding the grapes and I felt it. I got it. Beads. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to show you real quickly how to make these really beads for $1, and that's it. You only need a few items, so let's get started. So all you need is your bushel of grapes, some paint, a paintbrush, the fishnet Decor, a needle and thread. Preferably the curved needle would be good. Now here's a close-up of the grapes. You notice that they have a vine, artificial vine, and some leaves. Just make sure you remove each grape off the vine and just look at the different sizes. Then all you're going to do is use your needle and thread and string each grape through the needle to give it a vine of its own. Not really that much to it. And you see how close I actually threaded the grapes into each other, like they're really close, but enough to give it space. Then you take your paint, and I actually mixed the two colors, territorial beige and acrylic white, together, and it gave me this amazing wood-like color. And I used the brush that I had already been painting with, so that way it could give me the strokes of like to appear to be wood. Now on to the tassel. Now it was a little challenging because I didn't know what I was doing, but I just gathered some of the fishnet together, about 6 strands of the fishnet, tied one of the strands around the top of them, cut the bottoms and the top so it gave me a bunch of tassels, and I tied it through the thread and strung it together. That's how I made the bottom one. And then I wound up making another one for the top part, which was a little bit easier because I did it already. And this one I was able to thread with the needle and just tie another string around it so it would attach. I added glue, and voila, there you have it, your Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse beads. And look how I decorated it on my scale. Such an amazing creation. A little kitchen feng shui for your lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in. This is Nikki here with Lifestylediyw, and don't forget, click that link in my bio to get your 5-piece gift set from Grove Collaborative. Don't forget Lifestylediyw, and please hit like, subscribe, or comment on any of my videos. Let's try to get this video to 100 likes if possible. Thank you guys for tuning in. Lifestylediyw.